Changing your primary admin on Mercury is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Mercury account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the admin settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is typically found in the Account Dashboard or Profile section. Click on it to access Account Management options. Step 3. Select Admin Management. In the Settings menu, find the option for Admin Management or User Roles. This section allows you to view current administrators and their permissions. Step 4. Choose the new primary admin. Identify the user you wish to promote to primary admin. Click on their profile or the corresponding option to change their role. Confirm that this user is ready to take on the responsibilities of a primary admin. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the new primary admin, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation prompt or button to finalize the update. It may take a moment for the changes to take effect. After completing these steps, your new primary admin will be set up. Make sure to communicate this change to your team for a seamless transition.